stand like this in Tadasana with your feet facing outward, or does your tailbone tuck out while you are standing straight in Tadasana, or your shoulders slouch, or your knees are not engaged? If you also have this kind of Tadasana, then you really need to listen to this video. So here today we are to understand from our series of alignment and awareness, the very first pose that we are going to talk about today is the mountain pose or the Tadasana. Tadasana or mountain pose, as the name suggests, is a mountain. So mountain, when we think about a mountain, we think about the strength, the strongness that it has. Tadasana is the foundation or the mother of many other standing poses. All the standing poses starts from Tadasana. It is very important to understand the importance. It seems to be a very easy posture, but there are certain mistakes that we end up doing while standing in Tadasana. You know that we need in our daily life also we should be standing in Tadasana, but most of us either we put pressure on one side of our body and use the muscle of that side a lot, that it creates a problem with our posture or any kind of pain or joint pains or knee pain. Why? Because we are putting a lot of pressure on one side of our body. If you learn to stand in Tadasana and start using it not only while on the mat but beyond that also, it's going to solve a lot of pain, a lot of problems that you're facing in a daily life also. So let's begin. Coming in Tadasana, we will stand straight first. Now you have two options. You can either keep your legs together or you can have a hip distance between your legs. Now that is totally on you, because if you have a stability or a balance problem, then you can have a gap between your legs, or if you have some kind of knee issue. So we will not be putting extra pressure on our knee joints. From here, the base of the mountain has to be really strong. So in Tadasana, our base is the feet. So for here, what we are going to do, first we are going to lift all our toes up. Starting from the pinky toe, we are going to keep all our toes on the mat and gripping the mat firmly. From the pinky toe to the big toe. Now we have like 4 different points or bandhas in our foot as well. The inner outer edges of the heel and pinky toe and big toe. If you are putting your pressure on these 4 points and standing, it means that you are dividing the weight of your body equally on both the legs. So you are not unnecessarily pressurizing your joints. Coming on to knees and thighs, it is important to activate your knees and engage your thigh muscles. And when you are dividing the weight equally on your both foot, then you will realize that all the muscles around your knees are also engaged. Coming on to the pelvis region, either your pelvis can be bending forward or going back. So what you'll do is that you need to bring your pelvis in one straight line with the spine. For this, what you can do, one easy way to understand it is that you can just little bit squeeze your glutes, and that will help you to bring your pelvis tilt inside. Squeezing your abdominal muscles will help you to stand in one straight line. And you can keep your hands either on the side of your body, engaging your muscles in your abdominal muscles in and squeezing your glutes. Keeping your shoulders back, your neck should not be going forward, but it should be in line with your body. The gaze can be either on the tip of your nose, or you can be gazing in front. If you're confident here, you can slowly bring your hands up. Make sure your hands are not growing too close to the ears, or your shoulders are not reaching up to your ears. Your shoulders have to be relaxed and down. Everything from the foot to the crown of your head has to be engaged. You have to think that as if somebody is pulling you from the crown of your head and somebody is pulling you from the foundation of your feet. Really good asana for people who have long sitting jobs or who have a bad posture or have a tech neck, of somebody, of very young children who really want to gain some height. They should be practicing Tadasana. If standing like this is not possible for you, you can take help of a wall also, keeping a little gap between your legs, engaging all your toes, your knees pulled up, your core engaged, and then you can stand here, keeping your neck inside and touching your head touching the wall. Or you can simply go up and stretch yourself. Now, if you feel that you are feeling a pressure on your knees also, you can have a soft bend in your knees. I hope that this little change in alignment in your mountain pose or Tadasana is really going to enhance your practice. Practice it on everyday basis, not only on your mat, but beyond your mat, also in your daily life. Thank you. Tomorrow we'll come with another yoga pose and alignment. Till then, like and subscribe to my channel.